Agak capek gitu ya melihat trailernya, sudah capek gitu karena feel banget adventure-nya tentunya ya dari film Kon-Tiki ini ya. So film yang disutradarai oleh Joachim Ronning dan Espen Sandberg ini bercerita tentang penjelajah Norwegia bernama Thor Heyerdahl yang bersama dengan 5 pria lainnya itu mengarungi Samudra Pasifik selama 101 hari. Lama gitu ya. Dan mengendarai rakit sederhana dan dari kayu balsa ya, pada tahun 1947 ya. Jadi film ini kemudian dituliskan dalam maksudnya The Adventure is actually written in novels, dan filmnya sendiri, bukunya sendiri itu sudah diterjemahkan dalam 70 bahasa dan 50 juta eksemplar. Dan syutingnya sendiri doesn't have like much of a special effects because the ocean itself is not in set, tapi sebenarnya adalah really fresh oceans, jadi like open waves, dan feel that actually added the challenge ya, dan that what makes this movie beautiful tentunya ya, beautiful karena film ini mengeksplor banget tentang samudra dan the beauty of the ocean. Dan film ini menceritakan tentang Thor Heyerdahl yang memutuskan untuk membuktikan sendiri bahwa pendatang dari Amerika Selatan ya telah menetap di Polinesia pada masa pra-Columbus. Jadi this is like the historical adventure ya, to prove that what he believes is true. Dan dunia menunggu hasil perjalanan sejauh 8.000 km ya, yang dibiayai pinjaman dan donasi. So Heyerdahl memfilmkan dan menulis buku tentang ekspedisinya, dan dokumenternya sendiri memenangkan Academy Award pada tahun 1991. Dan pada akhirnya filmnya difilmkan, petualangan ini difilmkan dan mendapatkan like very good achievements either locally or internationally. Skrip apa itu? So expect like far great adventure of Kon-Tiki ya, because it's already hits the theater in Blitz Megaplex tentunya ya. Exclusively you get to see this really cool and Oscar and Golden Globe worthy movie. So it's time for me to head it to use my suit. Dari tadi nggak bisa soalnya dipanggil-panggil nggak bisa. So we'll see you right after the break, still on Cinema Lounge. Masih di tempatnya. So tadi abis battle gitu ya, exciting banget saya. Untung masih di tempatnya. So, welcome back to Cinema Lounge with me, Wiram Grinaldi as the host, and we're discussing about our coming soon movie that I didn't tell you. So, I'm gonna tell you this. The movie is The Reluctant Fundamentalist. Agak susah gitu ya. So, the movie is actually directed by Mira Nair, ya, film yang disutradarai oleh Mira Nair ini. As you know, Mira Nair is an Indian, tapi film ini berlatar belakang Pakistan ya. Jadi sebelumnya film-film ini explore like not like really Indian, like Monsoon Wedding and The Namesake. Tapi kali ini berlatar belakang Islam dan Pakistan maksudnya ya. So it's Islamic. Dan seorang pemuda Pakistan brilliant ya, yang agak galau gitu ya, karena harus menentukan kemana arah pergi hidupnya gitu ya. Dan film ini dibintangi oleh Kate Hudson, Kiefer Sutherland, Liv Schreiber, and other actors and actresses. So you're gonna have to see the trailer first to find out what the movie is about. So you're gonna have to see the trailer. Trailer!
So, tell me, Bobby, what exactly is the article about?
The kidnapping of an American citizen.
You think I had something to do with this kidnapping?
I'm not the one you have to convince.
Looks can be deceiving. I am a lover of America, although I was raised to feel very Pakistani. It fell on me to work hard for my family. I left to go west, where I was welcomed with open arms.
You have 20 minutes to convince me that you belong at Underwood Sampson.
In America, I get an equal chance to win. And whether or not you hire me, Jim, I am going to win.
Good answer. Congratulations.
Your expression was
What do you do at the Underwood?
We help companies to increase their value.
You have a gift for this. A very lucrative gift.
You picked a side after 9/11? I didn't have to. It was picked for me.
Step over here, sir.
So is there a problem?
He's an employee.
Follow
of
me,
mine.
please.
Have you ever been a member of a terrorist organization? How do you feel about the United States of America?
Agent Ford, I love the United States of America. Violence had wormed its way into my life.
You go down to that office and you do the job you were hired to do.
If you're just an innocent bystander, Chungus, why were you hiding?
You say guilty people hide, so do people who feel hunted.
When you determine where you stand, the color will return to your world.
I don't recognize my own voice anymore. It sounds all fake, like someone who doesn't come from anywhere.
You're playing a dangerous game, Chungus.
You're gonna get us both killed. Yes, I'm Pakistani. Yes, I'm Muslim. But that's not all I am.
Cu. Oh, itu tadi trailer dari The Reluctant Fundamentalist ya. Dan film ini disutradarai oleh Mira Neer dan dibintangi oleh Kate Hudson as the love interest of the character of Pakistan ya. So, Pakistani yang diperankan oleh Riz Ahmed, dan ada juga tadi Kiefer Sutherland, ada Liv Schreiber, dan film ini berlatar belakang tentang seorang pemuda Pakistan yang brilian yang merupakan alumni universitas dari Ivy League. So he's very brilliant ya, dan noticeable, dan akhirnya dia ingin mengejar mimpi untuk kerja di Wall Street. Ya, he's offered a job and he likes United States, as it says in the trailer. He likes to stay in the United States, but as the 9/11 event happened, everything like change, people persepsi dari orang-orang tentang, like having a very Eastern face, tentunya ya terlibat konflik antara the American Dream, his American Dream, dan juga krisis Sandera dan panggilan abadi dari tanah air keluarganya. Apakah dia harus balik ya, to start a new life, with the condition happen, ataukah ia ingin tetap harus mengejar mimpinya ya untuk menjadi, bekerja di Wall Street. So the movie itself is taken from the novel with the same name, dan film ini dan novel yang diambil ya is actually a quite noticeable novel, dan akhirnya bisa difilmkan. Dan you get to see the movie because it will be coming out at Blitz Megaplex sooner than you think. Dan film The Reluctant Fundamentalist ini seperti yang sudah disebutkan sebelumnya, disutradarai oleh Mira Neer, which is the director also of New York I Love You, and also the Namesake, which is very noticeable for Indian culture ya. It's kind of like the same, but maybe with a different age, yeah, And juga Moonson Wedding, which is quite lovely, yeah. So expect this latest movie from Mira Neer. Expect some drama and also a little bit of action, a little bit of, this kind of like, very interesting relation, yeah. A new kind of twist. Mengeksplor tentang kultur dari Pakistan itu sendiri. So you gonna have to, after you watch the trailer, you gonna have to watch the movie too at Blitz Megaplex tentunya ya. Because the background itself is the events of 9/11, so it's quite interesting. So moving on to another segment, we have the top 5 Blitz Megaplex of this week. Dan film ini starting from top 5, we have identity thief. It's quite, funny, and at the same time, it's quite exciting too ya film ini. So it remains in the 5th position. So yeah, by the trailer of it, it's quite like funny a little bit. That character from Arrested Development, yeah. Very funny and also, agak gitu ya. So for the 4th position we have The Croods. The Croods adalah sebuah film animasi dari DreamWorks Pictures. It's the latest one, and then film ini is quite different ya. Karena mengeksplor tentang keluarga prasejarah ya yang akhirnya harus keluar. Terpaksa juga ya harus keluar dari zona nyamannya and actually find something really beautiful outside. Dan film ini disuarai oleh Nicolas Cage, ada juga Emma Stone and other dubbers also ya. Dan untuk posisi ketiga we have P Mak. Dan film ini adalah film Thailand yang cukup mendulang sukses. Actually it's the biggest box office, has like the biggest box office in Thailand, dan akhirnya datang ke Indonesia. And I had the chance, as you know, I had the chance to actually see the movie and have a meet and greet also. The cast is totally funny, so you're gonna have to watch the funniness or the fun in the movie. Moving on to another position, we have the second position is G.I. Joe Retaliation, dan film ini kembali dibintangi oleh Channing Tatum dan ada juga karakter baru seperti yang diperankan oleh Dwayne The Rock Johnson, dan ada juga film G.I. Joe Retaliation dibintangi oleh Bruce Willis juga ya. So it's like expect maybe like some excitement from Hasbro ya, because it comes from Hasbro. Dan untuk posisi pertama we have Tom Cruise. No, the movie about Oblivion starring Tom Cruise. I think Tom Cruise. Film ini menjual Tom Cruise banget ya, dan film ini bersetting tentang keadaan setelah bumi melawan alien, dan bumi menang, namun akhirnya manusia harus tinggal di luar bumi karena they lost the planet, but actually find something really strange and something really questionable ya about the remaining existence of the planet, karena ternyata ada orang-orang yang di dalamnya, and maybe he actually find his wife also. So you have to watch the movie because it's very exciting ya. Film ini cukup mendulang box office also. So gonna be moving on to another segment, but stay tuned. Don't switch your remote control. Don't switch to another channel. Stay in position. Yay! Because you're gonna get your Iron Man suit also. Still on Cinema Lounge.